because of which my sleeping schedule is fucked up. I literally look like a bum right now. What's up everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is doing well. Hey guys, what's up and happy freaking new year. It's literally new year and hello, I haven't been posted anything for so long. So here is a video of me glowing up for 2024. It's new year, so new me, and yeah, you know what that means? A new glow up. I'm gonna try some new trend of this glow up for 2024, and I want you guys to carry along with me for a month, like a month plan where we are going to focus on ourselves, on just literally ourselves. I've been having a crazy time recently. I just got back to college after my holidays, and my holidays were so freaking amazing. I've been sleeping for 12 hours, because of which my sleeping schedule is fucked up. My skin is covered with acne. I have no skincare. I've been eating junk like all day long. So I literally look like a bum right now, and yeah, we're gonna fix that now. So let's go.
1, 2, 3, let's switch this up.
The first and the foremost thing for me to do for this glow up of 2024 is setting up a skincare routine. So it's 9:30 in the night, I am in the restroom and I'm going to wash my face and set up a nighttime skincare routine. So I'll be using this salicylic acid gel from the Derma Co. It was recommended by my dermatologist, and all the products that I'll be using, I'll link them in the description box, so don't forget to check that out as well. So yeah, let's get into washing my face. I'll be using this crochet band. This was made by my mom. It's really cute. So yeah, let's get into washing our face. Getting your face washed at night is the best thing you could ever do to your skin, because after washing your face from all this stressful day and pollution, your face feels so fresh, and even like washing your face with cold water will let the blood flow increase on your face and it will glow differently. So I prefer washing my face with cold water, or you can also wash your face with like very lightly hot water. Don't wash your face with very warm water because it can damage your skin as well. So now I'll be applying this cream on my face and this gel that were also recommended by my dermatologist, like for my acne to get treated easily. Yeah, I'll be applying these. Okay, it's done, and for tomorrow I'll be waking up at 5 a.m. Then I will tell you whatever I have decided for my productive day for tomorrow. See you. Good night. Good morning guys, it's 5:30 in the morning and I'm up. I know I told you I'll wake up at 5, but I couldn't because it was so cold, and exactly it was my first day waking up early in the morning, so it will take time. Gradually I'll start waking up at 5 as well. Okay, so I would like to start my day with writing a journal and a to-do list for today, so that I will have a productive day today. So yeah, let me just start by journaling first and then I'll do my to-do list. Okay guys, for this glow up era, I set up a weekly goal. Like I'll be doing all these things for a week and then like getting them ticked here like weekly. So yeah, I'll be doing this for a month to see how consistent I am in getting all these things done. And now I'll be getting to my step of working out. So let's go. There's a slight change in the routine, guys. Instead of making myself milk and the protein shake, I went and took a shower. I preferred that because after working out, it was all sweaty and stuff. So I preferred to go and take a shower instead of making the milk or the protein.
So yeah, I'll be making that now.
Okay, so now I'm going to make my protein shake in here. Yes, I got this cup from Blink Max. It's pretty cute and I love it. Look at it. Okay, let's get started with making our protein shake. Okay guys, my drink is ready, and while drinking this, I'll be reading this new novel, The Monk Who Sold His Ferrari. I was thinking of doing something productive, so obviously why not study some good novel that is going to give us great values. So yeah, I'm going to read this and then finish this cup of protein milk. And then I'll be ready to go and get my breakfast done. Okay, I'm done wearing my fit for college. I'll show it to you after my skincare. So let's get started with the skincare first. I washed my face with the same cleanser I told you before, and now I'll be applying moisturizer and sunscreen, and that's it for my skincare routine. I'm using this minimalist vitamin B5 moisturizer of 10%. This one is for oily skin. I have an oily skin, so I prefer using this minimalist vitamin B5 moisturizer. Okay, and for sunscreen, I'm using this Aqualogica sunscreen of vitamin C and papaya. It's 50 plus SPF. And for lip gloss, I will be applying this Baby Lips lip gloss. It's very common, so you can find it anywhere in any shop. Okay, this is not fit for today. This high neck is from Pantaloons and this black denim is from Zara, and I'm gonna layer this with this brown color coat, and this is from Handmade. So yeah, that's it for today's fit. Now I'm gonna go to college and then I'll return and meet you guys. See you. Bye. Hey everyone, back from college, and yes, all my classes are over now. It's 4:30, so yeah, I'm back in my dorm, and now I'm going to change into my comfy clothes, and then I'll get rest for a few hours because I had too many classes today, like literally all the classes, though I enjoyed in few of them and few of them were boring as usual. So yeah, after that I'll be doing my homework, like making notes obviously. So I'll meet you after that break time. Bye. If you guys ever feel like you are in a slump or like heading deep down in a treacherous road to deep depression, try doing your makeup or try doing some workout or at least any one thing for yourself, any one thing for your self-care, which like a kind of brings you to your self-care routine, and doing all these steps like little by little will snowball into a bigger thing someday, and at the end this will make you feel so much better. Okay, unfortunately I couldn't complete my notes because I was editing this video the whole time, so I have decided not to do it today. I'll do it tomorrow for sure. So for the rest of the day I'm going to edit this video, feel fresh and good by doing my nighttime skincare routine, and then go to sleep. And tomorrow is going to be a better day. So this marks the end of the video. Don't forget to like, comment down below, and share this video with your friends. And if you like it, don't forget to subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.